Let's briefly explain how to use a servo motor. First, we need to zero the servo motor and check its ID. The servo motor's control knob features a groove. Align this groove with the servo cable to reset the servo to 0. Next, navigate to the motor page in the controller. Here you can reveal the servo motor's ID and its current angle.
Hi, I'm Little Whale.
We can also reset the servo motor to 0 here. Next, we return to software page. Display a single servo ID is another way to view the servo motor ID. Modify the steering ID. Can change the servo motor ID. Set up steering gear angle mode ID. The difference between the servo motors and the closed-loop motor is that servos can only rotate 300 degrees and can lock in place when engaged. We can use this model to archive motor rotation to specific angles. Set up steering gear rotation model ID. This model operates on the same principle as the previous one, but cannot be set to specific angles, so it is not commonly used.